Fact of the matter is that I'm sitting down at a desk or on a table, on a chair for like 6 or 7 hours a day, and the odds are that you guys are probably also sitting down for most of your day, like 5, 6, 7 hours. For me, it's between gaming, editing videos here for you guys on the channel, but also my clinical work as a therapist, treatment plans, progress notes, and then at the end of the day, coming home from sessions with my clients, writing down what happened in session. And that's why it's good to invest in our health, not only with what we're eating, getting exercise outside, but also in like what we're doing for a large majority of the day, which is sitting. And that's where the Herman Miller Embody gaming chair comes in. We're gonna get to the health stuff in a second, but I have to say that the unboxing experience was actually incredibly smooth, where when it's delivered to your door, it's actually already completely built inside of the box. It gives you clear instructions on the outside, what side to open the box from, and then when you take it out, and as you're unboxing the chair, there are very easy flaps to remove, open, and unfold to slide your chair out and remove the box on top. So, I've thrown out most of the trash. And the first thing that I noticed that feels amazing are all of the points of contact along my spine. Like when I'm coming up, when I'm going back, the chair support basically never leaves my back. It feels really darn good. In full transparency for you guys, Herman Miller did send me the chair, but no money was exchanged in the process. They sent it over, wanted to see what I think. And as a whole, I can absolutely say that this has been not only one of the most comfortable seating experiences I've ever had, but also a very different kind. So a person's strongest posture is when they're standing, right, where their chest is open and their pelvis is tilted a little bit forward. But while we're sitting down, either we're gaming, doing productivity work, we don't have that same kind of positioning. And so their posture fit technology helps support that sort of upright chest out positioning. And it also supports your spine at like the lowest point where your sacrum is. And there's also this adjustable knob here to also support your lumbar. And that, alongside the contact points that I discussed earlier, creates like a natural sitting, comfortable, supportive positioning that I've never felt in a chair before. You have this knob here which allows you to adjust your seating. So there you go down, get up. It gets up. I find that pretty easy to use. And here you have these adjustable handholds that allow you to adjust the alignment for your legs and where they make contact with the chair. So you can lengthen them or shorten them. You also have this matrix here of 150 pixels throughout the chair seat and the back that allow it to conform, and these really help to distribute your body weight evenly, reducing pressure and adjustments when you're actually sitting down, twisting, bending, leaning side to side. What's really nice about the armrest is that you have this little knob right here that when you hold it in allows you to adjust it up and down, but also it allows you to adjust the armrest in or out, which is really nice because everyone has different natural resting positions with their hands, with their arms, and depending on what your body's kind of feeling, the longer that you're laying there, having that additional motion is really nice. And I know this video was shot a little bit differently. It's because my workspace is very tight and I kind of have to structure things in a way so you could actually see the chair, how it actually curves to my spine. But as a whole, this has been really nice. I hope you guys got all the information you need in like a really concise, efficient way. This thing has been amazing. If you're looking for one, I have a link in the description down below for you guys. And as a whole, my skeletal structure has most certainly been grateful. Think about this in terms of being like a health investment, the same way that you would with like expensive running shoes, like Asics, or spending a bit more for organic produce and like protein-packed meals. Especially because like I know for me, I'm sitting down basically all of the time. You probably are too. Thank you guys so much again for stopping by and hanging out. I wish you a fantastic remainder of your day, afternoon, or night, depending on the time as you are watching this. And as always, peace, love, and adios. Bye guys, and have a great day.